OnePlus recently launched the second edition of the successful NORD series, which is NORD CE 5G. I thought it would be interesting to see how the new NORD competes with the older one, so I decided to do a speed test between the two devices and see which one wins. So, with that being said, this is me Rahul from Tech Daily and let's get started. The NORD 2020 is the top variant, while the newer NORD CE 5G used in the video is the base variant and has the following specs as shown on the screen. RAM wise, NORD 2020 has an advantage, but keep in mind that it is 7 to 8 months older when compared to the brand new NORD CE. This speed test will test the device under moderate condition with daily used applications. Speed test is divided into two rounds. First round is launching the application and the second round tests the RAM memory management to see if the apps are in memory or not. Both the devices are connected to the same wireless network and has no applications running in the background. Even the refresh rate on both the devices is same, that is 90 Hz. Let's start the stopwatch on NORD 2020 first. As you can see, NORD 2020 took 1 minute 20 seconds to launch all the application and is on to the memory management round. NORD 2020 had all the application in memory and took additional 21 seconds to complete the memory management round, so it took 1 minute 41 seconds to complete both rounds. Now, let's start the stopwatch on NORD CE. NORD CE took 1 minute 11 seconds to load up all the application and now goes on to the memory management round. NORD CE reloads Netflix, Hotstar, Super Mario Run and YouTube and thus lags behind the NORD 2020. It took 2 minutes 6 seconds to complete both rounds. The 12 GB of RAM certainly helped the NORD 2020, but even the 6 GB should have kept all these apps in memory. Hopefully, this issue gets fixed in the future Oxygen OS updates by OnePlus. So, that is it for this video. I hope you liked the speed test. If you did, then hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. With that being said, this is me Rahul from Tech Daily signing off.